Hello, my name is Mark Morgan. I'm the Australia and New Zealand Business Development Manager for ETM Pacific. Today we're going to be unboxing an ETM Delta Black. The Delta Black is a cellular 3G, 4G, M1, MB logging platform with SMS dialing capabilities. So let's take a look inside the box. You see we have the Delta Black Quick Start Guide and of course the Delta Black logger itself. Okay, so let's take a look at the Quick Start Guide to start with. On the Quick Start Guide, you'll find information which concerns how to connect the device, the pinouts for the device itself, what the LEDs mean on a Delta Black, example configurations for sensors, and how to configure the device going forward. Okay, so let's have a look at the backplane of the Delta Black. So here we have the backplane. Let's start at the top. We have the RF connector. It's an SMA connector which goes to your antenna. Below that is two rows of LEDs that will tell you about the status of the device and also the connection to the device from the network. We'll come back to these connectors here for channels. Below you can see a programming port, and we have our DC feed in for power to the device. On the reverse side, we have the SIM port and a DIN rail mount. First 7 ports here are the channel inputs. They range from analog input, digital input, and pulse counting. These are defined on the label here as to what each port does. 2 below that are the signal grounds for the incoming signals. Below that we have a relay output, normally closed, normally open, and common. And below that is the power feed for the analog sensors. So that's the unboxing process complete. Basically, the ETM Delta Black is a very powerful and flexible monitoring device. You can connect to analog, digital, and pulse counting sensors, which means you can monitor water levels, pressure, humidity, a whole range of various things. So I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching the video.